Hi, my name is Bella, and I'm from the Southlake Office of Emergency Management. Today, we are going to talk about what to do before, during, and after rolling power outages. Before an outage, you can always be prepared by having an emergency kit. In this kit, you should have enough non-perishable food and bottled water for each family member to last for 72 hours. And don't forget to plan for your pets. You can include flashlights, battery chargers, and other items that will make your outage more comfortable for you and your family. To learn more about building your emergency kit, go online at ready.gov. Once the power goes out and you verify that it's an outage that is affecting more than just your residents, be sure to locate and bring out your emergency kit. Unplug appliances. This will help with any surge issues when the power is restored. Turn off lights, except for one porch light and one interior light. This will help stop your energy draw when the power is restored, but also give you notice. Conserve your cell phone battery and/or have solar-powered battery chargers. Keep appliances, such as the refrigerator or freezer, closed to conserve the cold air within them. And some houses are equipped with generators that are electrically tied into the house, which is great emergency planning. However, if you use a portable generator, remember you can only use those outdoors. After there has been a power outage, depending on the length of the outage, plug in all appliances you may have secured and turn them on to ensure they are functioning properly. If it has been a long outage, check and clean out your refrigerator, as some food may have spoiled. Also, search for any issues around your property that may need to be repaired due to the outages. You can always learn more about preparing for rolling power outages and many other emergency situations at www.cityofsouthlake.com/beprepared. Bye!